Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can build a streaming setup under like $50 or $60. So let's jump into the video. So before jumping into the video, make sure to like and subscribe the video. Okay, so I'm not going to bring the order these things physically because I can't order right now. So I'll just show you some Amazon links. Okay, so the first thing that you can use for the streaming setup is a microphone. So you can buy this microphone. This is the Firefine K669B. I already bought this microphone in my previous video, the microphone video. If you didn't check that out, go and check it out. So you can grab it from the black color, which is $29.99, and also you can go to the blue color, which is $32.99, and also there are some other colors, you can check them out. So this is a USB microphone, so this is totally fine for a streaming. Okay, next, and also you can check it out for the lighting. Lighting is a most important thing. So for lighting, you can't go for like a Elgato key light or something else because our budget is too much tight. So you can go to like a table lamp which has an LED bulb and also a scissor arm or a boom arm. So the price of this is $21.99. It means it's $22. So that's totally fine for the budget. Okay, so for next, it's a webcam. So in this $60 budget, we can't go to a good quality webcam since we spent our money on the microphone and the lighting. So you can use if you have more budget, you can go to webcam. That's totally 100% your choice. But if you don't have any budget to go to webcam, you have your webcam on your pocket. It's your mobile phone. So you can use the application called Droidcam, and you can use your phone as a webcam. So you can deliver 720p or 1080p high definition video, and it's totally fine until you buy a webcam. And also next, you can also buy a cell phone stand, which is like the thing like this. I don't know, it's a boom arm. It's $16. If you want it, you can use this, or you can place somewhere else, and you can use your phone as a webcam. And also for an option for your microphone, you can use a boom arm for your microphone, because this microphone has only a table stand. So I won't think that will be a good option because it's like this much tall. And you can go to a boom arm if you have budget too, because it will bring the microphone to the closer to the mouth. So that will be a good option if you can stay in a budget. So it says that you can hold Yeti Snowball, Yeti Nano, Yeti X and other mics, but I'm not sure whether this particular mic arm can do that much of thing. But if you like, you can get it out. Yeah, so our streaming setup is completed. I forgot to say that the keyboard, the mouse and the PC is not included in this particular streaming on a budget setup. So this is one of the video series that I'm going to bring. So if you like and also subscribe and comment in the comment sections for more videos. So then I will linking everything in the description below. So if you want to buy them, just go to the link in the description. So yeah, that's all for today's video. So then until next time, goodbye.